Awadhi Moong Dal ki Goli is a traditional vegan, one of its kind snacks from the regions of Awadh. Made from the humble Moong Dal, these are spicy balls of deliciousness that leave you contented. It is a healthy snack full of protein that's tasty any time of the day. Don't forget to have it in your next breakfast or as a starter for your next get-together. Please watch the video till the end to view the health benefits of Moong Dal, tips and tricks, and the ingredients list. Also, please subscribe to the channel Festive Flavors and hit the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Please share it with your family and friends. Please click the like button if you like the recipe. Do you want to be featured on Festive Flavors? Take a picture of a recipe prepared by you from our channel and tag us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. We will feature your picture and name in the upcoming videos. Let's look at the ingredients. Moong dal ½ cup, onions chopped fine 1 cup, ginger chopped finely 2 tablespoons, green chilies to taste, red chili flakes 1/4 teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, onions sliced ½ cup, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder ½ teaspoon, red chili powder 1/4 teaspoons, green coriander leaves chopped ½ cup, salt to taste, oil 5 tablespoons, Asafoetida a pinch, water 2 cups. Let's get started. First, wash the moong dal with water. Soak it in 2 cups of water for at least 2 hours. Grind moong dal with ½ cup of water and asafoetida and make a thick paste. Take the paste out in a bowl and keep it aside. Heat a pan. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. Add the finely chopped onions. Fry for 2 minutes. Add chopped ginger and green chilies to it. Now add half of turmeric powder, red chili flakes, a tablespoon of green coriander leaves and salt. Mix everything and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add half of turmeric powder, mix and cook. Now add the moong dal paste. Cook the paste on medium to low heat. Keep stirring. You will see that the paste is coming together into a dough and is no longer runny. Cook till the dal is cooked through. Moong dal cooks very quickly. Keep stirring and scraping from the bottom of the pan. It will take around 10 to 15 minutes. The dal mixture after cooking should not be very dry, as we will not be able to make balls out of it. Here you can see the dal mixture how it looked before cooking and how it is after it's done. Take the dal mixture out and spread it out on a plate to cool a little, just enough so that your hands can handle it. Keep it aside. Place the same pan on heat in which you cook the moong dal mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add sliced onions. Fry till golden. In the meantime, while the onions are cooking, make balls out of dal mixture, but keep an eye on the onions by stirring occasionally. Take a handful of dal mixture and rub it in between your palms like it is shown in the video. Now make a ball so that there are no cracks. Make all the balls and keep it aside. Getting back to the onions, they look almost done now. Add ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, coriander powder and red chili powder. Mix everything. Add green chilies and salt, mix everything and cover and cook for 2 minutes. The masala looks done now. Place all the balls in the masala. Mix to coat all the balls with the masala and cook from all sides for 3 to 5 minutes. The spicy, gratifying, delightful Moong Dal Goli or balls are ready to serve with tea. Do not forget to send us a picture of Moong Dal ki Goli prepared by you. Now let's look at the tips and tricks for making Awadhi Moong Dal Goli. Chop the onions, ginger and green chilies very fine as they go in the moong dal paste which later is formed into balls. Using large chunks of onions, ginger and chilies will prevent forming smooth goli or balls. Rub the cooked dal mixture between your palms and then shape them into balls. Stir the balls lightly when cooking in the masala so that they do not break. Health benefits of Moong Dal. Moong Dal aids in weight loss as it enhances the functioning of cholecystokinin hormone by stimulating the digestion of fat and protein and increasing the sensation of fullness. Moong Dal is rich in potassium and iron, hence improves the health of the heart by lowering blood pressure and protecting against irregular heartbeat. It is rich in high quality protein as well as folate and vitamin B6, which in turn helps maintain healthy brain function and production of DNA. Moong Dal is rich in dietary fiber, hence reduces blood cholesterol levels and prevents dietary complications. Moong Dal has a low glycemic index which helps to maintain blood sugar levels. It is great for gut health as it has anti-inflammatory properties that prevent accumulation of gas. Let's look at the ingredients. The ingredients list is also given in the description box below. Please subscribe to Festive Flavors and click the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Share it with your family and friends. Please click the like button below if you like the recipe. Also, tell us what you think of this recipe in the comment section below. Next time we will come with a new video. Until then, happy cooking. Namaskar.